Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Lesson Hub. Today, let's learn about farm animals.
This is a pig. P-I-G. Pig. The pig lives on a farm. This is a goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. The goat jumps and climbs. This is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. The sheep has wool. This is a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. The donkey is strong. This is a cow. C-O-W. Cow. The cow gives milk. This is a turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. The turkey is big. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. The horse runs fast. This is a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. The chicken lays eggs.